Number 16, a client is admitted to the nursing unit with a diagnosis of Mycoplasma pneumonia. The admitting physician did not order the client to be placed on any form of precaution. Since pneumonia nga naman, no, usually naka-droplet precaution dapat, 'di ba? Pero walang order na put the patient on droplet precaution. Which isolation precaution would be the best for the client to be on? Answer here is, nasabi ko na, letter A, transmission-based precaution. So you have to prompt the doctor na, Doc, wala pa po tayong precautionary measure kay patient. Ano po bang kailangan, Doc? Droplet, airborne, contact? Okay, pa-order na lang po. Remember guys ha, you cannot just do anything, no, especially pag yung intervention ay hindi siya nursing intervention or nursing action ha. Okay.